if you're installing a floor where you've got a considerable height difference, Stairrods actually do the two-way ramp system. Comes in both solid brass and in the Ali range. These profiles, again in the brass, is available in all 10 colours, but they accommodate 8 different heights. The smallest one will do 2 to 3 mil, then we've got a 4 to 5, a 6 to 7 and an 8 to 9. Just by spinning the bar around, I've got a 3 mil drop this side and I've got a 2 mil drop that side. If I just demonstrate that with this floor's 8.5 mil. If I put the 7 to 8 on there, you'll see it's not quite coming down far enough. However, spinning the bar around allows that to drop fully down to the subfloor itself. The aluminium range allows you to install the floor into the trim itself. So the brass gives it a very luxurious high-end finish, but if you want to disguise the floor or disguise the bar itself, you can go with the aluminium one and install the floor with a perfect match to the floor covering itself, giving it a proper drop down just there. Both sets of bars come with pre-attached tape on the rear, and the aluminium range comes with the pre-attached high grab double-sided tape through the inlay.